might not be that hard to climb.
I wouldn't think. I mean, that's what I was saying. It's definitely doable.
Alright, today we're at Cinder Hills. We were here yesterday, but we didn't really shoot too much of it because we didn't know how good it was going to be. Cinder Hills is I guess a fairly large off-road park just north of Flagstaff, Arizona, just north of Red Rocks. You can come here, you can camp here. There's tons of camping spots, tons of parking spots. You can pretty much, there's a fire lane road that runs through all of it. And you just pick a spot, pull over, unload, set up camp, get after it. So today we're gonna do a little bit of shooting, shoot some shots that we didn't get yesterday. We'll show you a little bit more around this area, I guess. Guys, look at this view. Look at it.
Gorgeous.
I'm talking about. This is one of the reasons why we came back here, is to get a shot of this, because not only is it phenomenal this way, it's also phenomenal that way. Absolutely beautiful. The weather is perfect too. Like, there's a nice little breeze up here.
It's been awesome this whole time.
Yeah, it really has been awesome this whole time. There's just miles of trails. All these hills are all trails. There's a bowl out there that you'll see me ride around in a few times. This stuff is like sand too. Like, look how fine.
Well, you see a lot of people with paddle tires out here.
Yeah.
We haven't seen one, but you can see the tracks.
Yeah, you can see paddle tracks here and there. This is fucking wild.
How would you feel doing that? You felt confident?
I feel pretty confident, yeah. It's definitely a different experience for us because we're not used to, like...
No, Kentucky has nothing like this.
Well, we're not used to bogging down going up hills like that.
Were you pedal to the floor?
Yeah.
Okay.
I was like probably 70% throttle, and when it started bucking, that's when I started kind of getting on it a little bit more. I do not want to lose momentum going up some of these hills. Look at this.
No. Yeah. Oh yeah. You can see all throughout here. One thing, nothing's labeled. This park actually didn't even have anything on like the road. Like there was no sign, like entrance, right? There's no sign stating.
Yeah.
But yeah, it's different. East Coast has a lot of parks, and you pay a fee to go and ride in those parks. West Coast, I guess Mid and West Coast, it's a little different. It's just off-roading, period. You just off-road. And they kind of expect you to just take care of your land and take care of your campsite and everything like that. There isn't a fee. It's just, I guess, public land, so you can do what you want on it. So yeah, there is a little bit of difference. But with that, no trails are labeled. It doesn't tell you if it's like easy, medium, or hard. Now all of this is pretty clear, like you can see it. It's not like the East Coast where it's very heavily wooded. This is all open. Oh my gosh, is that the canyon? I'm sure it's leading to it.
We're a little too big for that. That's definitely a great view. I don't know what else we could do.
So pretty. Oh my gosh. Yeah.
Is that right?
Yeah.
Look at this.
I mean, just right here.
Oh,
I mean, you can see the.
Definitely need something with a lot of horsepower to get over
Let's just show you, because you can't, the trees are blocking it right now. Skid steers that come out here, because there's tracks. I'm sure a lot of people get stuck. Let me get these trees out of the way. I don't know if I'll be able to, or if you will be able to see this. But it goes, I don't know if this camera even does it justice. It's definitely doable. Definitely doable. It's just what you're driving on is really the only kind of like thing that's going to hinder you from making it up. Yeah, that's pretty steep.
It might not be that hard to climb.
I wouldn't think. I mean, I was saying it's definitely doable.
Ladies and gentlemen, that is it for this video. That's it for Cinder Hills. We are never coming back here again.
What?
Alright, they might come back. I don't know. We'll see. This place is awesome, honestly. There is miles and miles of trails out here. So, You could spend a whole week out here if you wanted to. But unfortunately, we're heading towards Moab. We're heading towards Sand Hollow, I think it's called. Yeah. We got a few other spots to go to. We got some hiking to do and shit. And I don't know what to say to you guys, honestly. I'm just at a loss of words. I really don't want to leave this place. But that's it for this video. Thank you all for watching. If you liked it, hit that like button. Share it with your friends. Share it with your mom. We'll see you guys in the next one.